Good evening, friends. Shardi Navratri is here. Devi Ma is here to bless us all. The Shardi Navratri lasts for 9 days. Each of the days, Devi comes in a different form and blesses us all. I had given the details of all the days of the Navratri in my previous presentation, that was in Hindi. There was a huge demand from my friends overseas to give the details in English also. Hence, today I am giving the details of Navratri festival with significance of each of the days in English also. While doing so, I will use a video also, friends. So let me open the video. So here is the video, friends. So you can see here the first day. The first day is dedicated to Devi Shailputri. Ma comes on the first day in the form of Devi Shailputri, and there is a Shailputri temple in Jalalipura, Varanasi, where people visit to have a darshan of Ma and seek the blessings of Ma. In this form, Ma comes atop a bull. So, in the two hands, Ma holds Trishul in the right hand and lotus flower in the left hand. And the form of Mata is very pleasant and blissful as Devi Shailputri. So we chant Ya Devi Sarvbhuteshu Ma Shailputri Rupen Sanstita Namastasya 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 Namo Namo, and pray to the goddess to bless us all. Then, friends, second day, the form of the Mata is called Brahmacharani Devi. So on this day also there is a temple in Varanasi at Jalalipura where people go and pray to the goddess to bless us. Ma Brahmacharani comes barefoot, and in two hands the Ma holds Japmala in the right hand and Kamandal in the left hand. Then, friends, the third day of current Navratri, which is falling on the 19th of October. This day, the form of goddess Ma is called Devi Chandraghanta. The temple is in Jaitpura, Varanasi. And on this day, Ma comes riding on a tigress, and goddess has 10 hands this day. She carries Trishul, Gada, sword and Kamandal in her 4 right hands and keeps the 5th right hand in Vardhan Mudra, blessing us all. And she carries lotus, flower, arrow, dhanush and Japmala in her 4 left hands and keeps the 5th left hand in Abhay Mudra. So this is regarding the third day, Ma Chandraghanta. Then fourth day, Devi is known as Kushmanda. The Kushmanda temple is at Durgakund, Varanasi. People go to seek the blessings of the goddess. This day, the goddess comes riding a lioness, and in the 8 hands, in her right hands, Devi holds Kamandal, bow, barn and lotus, and in the left hands, Devi holds Amrit Kalash, Japmala, Gada and Chakra. So this is the form Devi Kushmanda of Ma goddess. Then fifth day, Ma comes as Devi Skandamata. The temple of Devi Skandamata is in Jaitpura, Varanasi. This day, which is the 5th day of Navratri, people go to Skandamata temple, Jaitpura, Varanasi to seek the blessings. In this day, mother comes riding a furious lion, goddess comes riding a furious lion, and she has 4 hands. She carries baby Murugan in her lap. Lord Murugan is also known as Kartikeya and brother of Lord Ganesha. Mata holds lotus flowers in her upper 2 hands. She holds Bar Murugan in one of her right hands and the other one is Abhay Mudra. So this is the form of Ma Skandamata on the 5th day of Navratri. Then friends, on the 6th day, Ma comes, goddess comes in the form of Ma Katyayani. So Ma Katyayani comes riding a magnificent lion, and in her 4 hands she holds a lotus flower and sword in left hand, and in her right hand she holds in Abhay Mudra and Vardhan Mudra. Then friends, the 7th day Devi comes as Kalratri, Ma Kalratri. The temple is in Kalika Gali, Varanasi. The right of that Devi on this day atop a donkey, and in her 4 hands Devi holds in the right hand Abhay Mudra and Vardhan Mudra, and in left hand she holds a sword and deadly iron hook. Then friends, 8th day of Navratri, which will fall on 24th of October. 8th day is the day of Ma Mahagauri. The temple is in Durga Kund, Varanasi. This day the Ma comes in the ride of the bull. She comes riding a bull, and in 4 hands Ma holds Trishul and Abhay Mudra in right hand and Damru and Vardhan Mudra in the left hand. Then friends, the last day after Ma Mahagauri on the 8th day, the last day Ma comes at Siddhidatri Devi, and this day she comes riding a lion, and in her 4 hands she holds lotus flower and shank in the left hand and gada and chakra in the right hand. So we pray Goddess in all these forms and seek the blessings in our life to make our venture successful. So I pray to Goddess friends to give you all the happiness, all the success in your ventures. This time is considered very auspicious to start new ventures. Already we had very dull period because of the pandemic, so this is high time people take up new ventures, start new activities. Goddess will grant us success. Please go ahead with whatever you have planned. Be successful. And before I end the video, I will request everybody to take due precautions in these times while going out of your homes. Please do wear mask. Please maintain a safe distance of 2 yards between you and the people, and wash your hands regularly to keep the virus at bay. 2 गज की दूरी, मास्क है जरूरी. So friends, please do take care, very good care of yourself. Keep safe and healthy. Good luck. Happy Navratri to you. Good night.